Good afternoon, all. My name is Hanumant Rao, and I'm part of the learning and development team of HDFC Argo General Insurance, based out of Hyderabad. Today, we will spend some time to understand what is the importance of health insurance and is health insurance required for us in today's time. For the past 6 months, we have been witnessing some unprecedented turmoil across the globe because of this virus COVID-19. Now, regulator has asked all the insurance companies to come out with appropriate products. Now, we have a choice of products available in the marketplace to buy so that the risk can be mitigated properly. Now, the specific disease related policy, which is Corona Kavach, can be bought only for Corona, and that is time bound. You can buy either 3.5 months policy or 5.5 months policy or a 9.5 months policy, which covers risk of only Corona. Now, risk is something beyond this Corona. Corona we have been witnessing for the past 6 to 7 months, especially in our country. But if you talk in generic way, there are so many risks available for all of us as an individual. Now, it can be cardiac related, it can be diabetes related, it can be kidney related, it can be anything. Many of the diseases today we are suffering from are because of the lifestyle we are leading. Now, lifestyle diseases have become the order of the day, and it has become so expensive that a common man affording a corporate hospital has become a distant dream. Now, here, we as insurance companies, we would help our customers or the citizens of this country to cope up with this particular phenomenon. Now, hospitalization can happen because of disease or it can be accident also. Either ways, the bill is going to burn customer savings. Now, as a middle class family or an upper middle class family, what kind of savings we would have? Very limited saving, and that too, those savings are very particularly for a specific purpose. Maybe we are saving for years for my daughter's marriage or for my son's education or both. Now, when I am not prepared to face this kind of a uncertain contingency, then I will be left with no option other than using money from my savings. Now, when I move that money out, then I'm compromising on the education and the bright future of the kids. Insurance is a mechanism wherein, if properly planned, can take off many needs. Insurance per se could be life insurance, something which represents post the proposal. And in many cases, the proposer himself enjoys the benefits out of life insurance. In case of uncertain thing, then whatever is the sum insured, that will go towards the beneficiaries, and they will be able to sustain the same living standard what we have set when we were alive. That's one part of insurance. The flip side of insurance is problems which occur when we are healthy on different counts. It could be loss of your property, it could be accident, it could be health related issues, it could be loss of your business. Now, general insurance will take care of all these needs. Now, today we have assembled to understand what HDFC Argo offers as a health product, how comprehensive it is when compared to the other players in the market. Now I'll take you through the product presentation very quickly, and then if you have any questions during the session, you have a question box available there. You can use it and flash your questions to me. I will be able to look at them and I will answer them. See, there is a question which has come. Why no video? It's only audio. Okay. So yeah, my video is on now. The only reason why we don't use video is it occupies a greater space on my screen, hence making me, it will become a hindrance for my presentation to see. Okay, anyway, uh, uh, apart from the regular product what we have, the regular product, when I say, it covers your pre and post hospitalization, and it covers your daycare procedures, it covers your inpatient hospitalization, it covers your organ transplant. But these features are designed way back 50, 60 years old. Now, insurance in our country is evolving every day, every minute. Now, the features which are on the slide are new of the blocks. Now, earlier, anything related to mental health care would never got covered in insurance. But now, yes, all the insurance policies cover them, provided the customer contracts this particular disease during the policy period. Then we have home health care in select cities, which is going to expand throughout the country post this pandemic. We have mentioned or defined 9 various ailments for which you can actually get treated at home. Hospitalization is not required for those ailments. This decision we have arrived at after an intensive survey internationally and nationally. In the next few minutes, I'll show you what are those defined diseases which could get covered in home health care. Now, the greatness of home health care is you will be staying at home and you will end up not paying anything, not even a single rupee towards that disease or towards that hospitalization. You get hospitalized at home and on only cashless basis. The company is going to take care of it. Then post-hospitalization, that is expenditure you incur once you are diagnosed. We cover up to 180 days. That means 6 months to completely recoup from the disease. Earlier, it was restricted at 90 days. Now that is increased to 180 days. Then sum insured rebound. This is very important part of any health product. Now, whatever sum insured you have utilized during the hospitalization, that sum insured is going to earn back by you. Let's say I will give you an example here. My sum insured is 5 lakh rupees and I have 1 lakh rupees bonus with me. So total, I can utilize 6 lakh rupees on any given day. So one unfortunate day I got hospitalized and I could consume 4 lakh rupees. Now I am left off with only 2 lakh rupees for the rest of the year. Now, in case there is any unfortunate incident and second hospitalization occurs, then the 4 lakh rupees what you have utilized or what you have spent during the first hospitalization will be given back to you. So we say it rebounds back to you. Now 4 lakh rupees you have spent in the first hospitalization, 2 lakhs anyway you have in your basic policy. Now total put together you have again 6 lakh rupees for the second hospitalization. So this is how whatever expenditure you incur, that is going to rebounded back to your policy till the basic sum insured. My basic sum insured is 5 lakh rupees. So the policy is going to give you back extra 5 lakh rupees. Actually, you're going to pay for only 5 lakh rupee policy, but if required during the year, you can actually use up to 10 lakh rupees. So you can say it is a double effect. Then you have daycare procedures. Earlier it was only little over 100, but now it is increased to 586. Daycare procedures are those which do not require minimum 24-hour hospitalization. Any health policy in our country operates only when a person gets hospitalized for at least 24 hours. But due to advance in technology, improvement in medical science, many procedures, doctors have started treating the patient or operating on the patient and getting discharged within 24 hours. So those things are covered in daycare procedures. Then tier-wise premium is introduced here. That means we have divided India into 3 parts based on the experience. Now, what kind of experience was that? There are some areas, some locations in the country where the medical expenditure or medical tourism is very, very costly. Places like Delhi NCR. Now, Delhi NCR is very costly as far as medical tourism is concerned. Now, when you come to tier 2, tier 1A is Delhi NCR. Tier 1B is Mumbai, suburbs of Mumbai, Pune, Ahmedabad, Vadodara, and Surat. These fall into tier 1B. Then rest of the country falls into tier 2. That means the complete south and complete east and parts of other zones fall into tier 2, which means tier 2, the expenditure is less. Hence, the customer pays less. So that's the logic here. Regulator has instructed all the insurance companies to come into the tier-wise premiums. So slowly, all insurance companies are falling in line, and we are the first company to start tier-wise premiums. Then you have air ambulance to shift the patient from one location to another location when the person is sick. So the air ambulance depends on the sum insured what we have selected. Then preventive health checkup booster. This is another important thing, or you can say the biggest USP of the product. Earlier, free health checkup used to be offered to the customer once in 4 claim-free years. Some products in the market used to say once in 3 claim-free years. But now this changed product talks about free health checkup every year. The earlier condition was if there are no claims reported for so many years, then the person can go for a preventive health checkup. But now, even if the customer claims last year or it doesn't claim last year, the corresponding year, once the policy is renewed, one adult from the family, if it's a 2+1 family, 2 adults and 1 kid, one adult from two persons can go and opt for this booster. And one more important thing is we are the only organization who have added cancer screening into preventive health checkup. For males, it is PSA, prostate cancer screening, and for female customers, it is pap smear for breast cancer. So this gets applicable once the customer is 40 plus, and today's doctor is advising everybody, every individual, to go and get this checkup done post 40 years. Then you have My Health Active Fitness at the time of renewal. which I'll explain you once we reach that slide. Now, these are the basic features of health policy. In pre-hospitalization, we'll start from pre-hospitalization. Pre-hospitalization is nothing but expenditure incurred to completely diagnose the disease, covered for 60 days. Inpatient, that is, you get admitted and the expenditure incur inside the hospital. So you can avail either cashless or reimbursement. When you talk about cashless, our third TPA, third party administrator is HCS, Health Claim Services, which is a group company of HDFC Limited. So we can always say that as self TPA. We don't have an external TPA. Then if you are checking up in any non-empaneled hospitals, we have more than 10,000 hospitals empaneled with us. If you are not using facilities from these hospitals, then you can come to us for reimbursement. Then post-hospitalization, once you get discharged, from that day, 180 days, it's a recuperating stage. The complete expenditure what you incur is given back to you. It is reimbursement. Pre and post will be reimbursement. To home health care, we've already discussed. I'll show you the various diseases involved there. Then organ donor, person who's donating the organ, his or her expenditure is also covered here. Then daycare procedures, 586, which doesn't need hospitalization. Then you have recovery benefit. That means for every completion of 24 hours inside the hospital, basing on the sum insured what we have purchased, a certain amount is paid back to the customer towards recovery benefit. Or you can put it this way, if the hospitalization exceeds 10 continuous days, then basing on the sum insured, a particular amount, one-time settlement will be given to you. Hospitalization will exceed 10 continuous days. Then you have road ambulance service. This is again depending on the sum insured selected. That means to ferry the customer from residence to hospital only. Then alternate treatments, that means Ayush, Ayurved, Unani, Siddha, Homeo is covered up to sum insured but on reimbursement basis. Air ambulance, okay. Now see, road ambulance. See, we have three plans: Silver Smart, Gold Smart, and Platinum Smart. For Silver, it is 3, 4, 5 lakhs. For Gold, it is 7.5, 10, and 15 lakhs. For Platinum, 20, 25, 50, and 75 lakhs. Right? All majority of this coverages are on actuals. That means this is a no limit product. Now for road ambulance, if it is silver, 2,000 rupees will be paid per event. If it is gold, 3,500. If the sum insured is more than 50 lakhs, then we go up to 15,000. Now the next recovery benefit, look at here, Silver Smart, 5,000 rupees. Every time you exceed hospitalization of 10 days, continuous days. Gold, it is 15, and platinum, it is 25. Now you have bonus also into it. Bonus is 10% of sum insured to the maximum of 100%. That means every claim free year, we increase 10% of your sum insured. Silver and gold comes with 10 and 100%. But whereas platinum, it starts from 25% and ends at 200%. Okay. Now look at the right side of the screen, My Health Suraksha. The left one is the older product. The right side is the new product. Pre-existing diseases will be covered after 3 years. That means I take the policy and I spend 3 years in the system. From beginning of 4th year, all pre-existing ailments and related ailments will be covered. So these are the diseases what I have mentioned already as far as rates are concerned, tier-wise premium. Then for adults, the entry age is 18 years to no limit. 18 years to no limit. And for children, it is 3 months to 25 years. 3 months in the sense the child has to cross 30 days, 90 days, and on 91st day, you can add that child into the policy. Okay. Then, if two or more people are available in the policy on individual basis, we offer 2%, 10% discount on the total premium. It is purely on individual basis. And the policy also provides long-term discount, which is if you pay 2 years premium, then we extend 7.5% discount. If it is 3 years premium, then 12.5% discount. And PPC means pre-proposal check. That means for certain category of customers, we would ask them to go for a medical checkup before we issue the policy. And anyway, that checkup cost will be borne by the organization. Either the age should be more than 45, or there should be any PEDs declared, pre-existing diseases, or the sum insured should be more than 20 lakhs. From 18 years to 45 years, it becomes a tele-underwriting. It will be tele-underwriting. That means all customers who are aged between 18 years and 45 years or 44 years, medicals will be done on tele-underwriting basis. That means customer need not go out. Our underwriter will call the customer and ask some questions. Based on the answers, we go ahead and issue the policy. But post 45, that means from 46 or from 45 and above, person has to physically report at the diagnostic center. Yeah, these are the diseases which we have added into it. My home healthcare: gastroenteritis, bronchopneumonia, respiratory tract infection, chemotherapy, pancreatitis, dengue, COPD management, hepatitis, and fever management. If our customer is suffering from either of these ailments and he doesn't like to stay in the hospital, he can very well take discharge and come back home. Before you leave hospital, call us at our toll-free number and inform that you want to activate home health care. Immediately, a team of doctors and the paramedic team, nursing staff and doctors will visit your house. They will check what is the present situation. If required, they will also talk to the doctor, treating doctor, and then they will continue the medication from there. Not anybody will be added into the panel. All subject matter specialists will be there as doctors in this particular panel for this particular feature. So rest assured, the best treatment would be offered at home on cashless basis. So pre and post, I've already told you 60 and 180. Daycare we cover 586. Road ambulance is covered. Organ donor, recovery benefit more than exceeding 10 continuous days. Alternate treatment, Ayurveda, Unani, Siddha, Homeo, without any restriction. Many policies in many products in the market have restrictions, but all the health products of HDFC Ergo are no limit plans. Then you have air ambulance. I forgot to tell you air ambulance. Air ambulance for silver, it is not applicable. For gold, it is 2 lakh rupees. And for platinum, it is 5 lakh rupees. That's air ambulance to shift the patient from the accident spot to the hospital or from one hospital to another hospital. Wherever helipads are available on the hospital or within the vicinity of the hospital, yes, they can utilize home health care, or rather air ambulance. Yeah. Sum insured. Yes, I will re-explain it one more time because this is very important. Sum insured will not, rebound will not trigger in the first claim. It starts triggering from the second claim. And even if you are partially exhausting your sum insured plus cumulative bonus or completely exhausting it, rebound will trigger during the second hospitalization. And if you are using rebound benefit for dialysis and chemotherapy, then for these two procedures, lifelong it will not be applicable. But for rest, Yes, it is applicable. It is not applicable only for dialysis and chemotherapy. Rebound will happen, but for a different disease. Okay. These are the renewal benefits. Today, individuals have become health conscious. Many have started morning walk, people who are 40 and above. People who are less, they jog or they run and also visit gyms. That means people have started taking care of their health. Now, any customer who walks for 50,000 steps in a week, 50,000 steps in a week, if he's a marathoner, then 15,000 steps per day will be limited. So 50,000 steps per week, or he can burn 300 to 900 calories in a week. Now, I'm going to give you discount, or the product will offer you discount. But how am I going to record it? How will I know how many steps you have completed? Customer has to buy the smartwatch. So smartwatch ranges from 1,500 to 50,000 rupees. Depending on your choice, you have to buy a smartwatch, and then you have to sync that smartwatch with My Health Active app of HDFC Ergo. Wear it and then start walking. So as and when you complete your steps, or as and when you complete one session, it is recorded at backend. We check how many steps you have completed just 90 days before the due date. Let's say, for example, if the particular customer has completed 36 weeks continuously, 36 weeks, then at the time of renewal, we provide 10% extra discount to the customer. This is extra discount to the customer, 10%. Now, as the number of weeks decreases, even the discount structure decreases. Anybody who is having a habit of walking, they do it religiously every day throughout the year. So large community of the customers will get benefited out of this particular benefit. Now, this is again important thing. Let's say at the time of taking the policy, customer has declared that he is diabetic. So we will ask him to go attend a medical test. Post which we decide to issue a policy to the customer on loading basis. Now, what is loading? Now, loading is nothing but increasing your premium. For all those customers who have pre-existing ailments, if we decide to insure that particular person, then we load the premium. Let's say the normal premium is 20,000 rupees, and the maximum what we're going to load is 40%. It is 10 to 40%, the least in the market. 10 to 40% is the maximum loading what we have in our company for the past 16 years. Future, I cannot promise you, but yeah, as on date, it ranges between 10 to 40%. And for argument's sake, we'll say 40% is loading. So 40% on 20,000 is 8,000 rupees. So the revised premium for that particular customer is 28,000 rupees. So 90 days before the due date, the customer has to undergo HbA1c test and provide that to us. If diabetes is under control, then I provide 50% discount on the loaded amount. How much did I load last year? It is 8,000 rupees. So on that, I provide 50% discount. So for second year onwards, the actual premium for the customer would reduce to 24,000 rupees. So as long as the customer is providing us HbA1c report 90 days before the due date, because we normally generate the renewal notice 90 days before the due date. So if we are able to understand the present situation of the customer as far as diabetes is concerned, then we would happily provide him 10% more discount. You can say that's a reward to the customer for being healthy and for checking everything. Now, these are the various tiers we have. Tier 1A, Delhi NCR, Tier 1B, Mumbai, Mumbai suburbs, Navi Mumbai, Pune, Surat, Ahmedabad, and Vadodara. Then rest of the country is into Tier 2. Now let's say tier 2, that means a person from Hyderabad has crossed over to Delhi for treatment. Then that person has to pay 20% co-payment. If I'm restricting myself to Hyderabad or anywhere in east or south, then I did not pay a single rupee from my pocket. The complete bill will be taken care by the organization. But if I'm moving to higher tier, then 20%. Either Mumbai or Ahmedabad or Delhi, the tier 2 guy, the Hyderabad person, has to pay 20% co-payment. Now, if a Delhi guy comes to Hyderabad for treatment because the expenditure is less here in South, then he did not pay anything because he's already paid higher tier premium. So it's common rate for, or it's no co-payment will be applicable for a higher tier customer. You can start typing your questions, please, in the question box. You can either use your question box or your chat box, anything, whichever is convenient to you. Now, these are the pre-proposal check. So this is how we ask the customer to undergo medicals if something is declared as pre-existing. Then these are the tests for preventive health checkup. These things are important to understand. This row, chest X-ray, 2D echo, stress test. If the patient or if the customer is okay with stress test, that means treadmill, then he can go with stress test, treadmill. Or if he says, I cannot walk, I cannot run on the treadmill, then he can opt for 2D echo. Choice is the customer's. PSA for males, prostate cancer screening for males, breast cancer pap smear screening for females, medical examination report, complete blood count, urine, fasting blood sugar, serum creatinine, lipid profile, electrocardiogram. These are the various tests applicable for those customers who wants to go for a preventive health checkup every year. Once the policy is renewed, customer will be qualified to undergo test, one adult from the family. One more important thing of this product is, as a proposer, I can propose my extended family. There is something called insurable interest in insurance. If there is no direct loss to me from that particular incident, then I should not pay premium. That's a law. But when we have filed the product with regulator, we have requested the regulator to approve other relationships also. On individual basis, I can insure my son-in-law, brother, nephew, brother-in-law, niece, sister-in-law, sister, daughter-in-law, anybody. Otherwise, for me, it is me, my wife, my immediate family, that is my wife and my children, plus my dependent parents. Only for these set of people, I'm allowed to pay premium. But for rest of the relationships in my family, I'm barred from doing it because there is no insurable interest. But this product allows the proposer to insure or to propose their extended family on individual basis. It is not family, it is individual basis. So one fast recap of the product. The sum insured ranges between 3 lakhs to 75 lakhs, but we advise our customers to minimum start from 10 lakh rupees, because a normal 7-day hospitalization for any disease would definitely cost 6 to 7 lakh rupees. A bypass surgery would cost 7 to 7.5 lakh rupees. If you talk about Delhi NCR, it will be even more expensive. So the safe amount would be 10 lakh rupees. Then this policy has got no disease related sublimits. What are disease related sublimits? That means I mention a particular disease and say this is the amount I'm going to pay you. It's a cataract, I pay you only 20,000 rupees. Angiogram, I pay you only 1 lakh rupees. For bypass surgery, I pay you only 3.5 lakh rupees. So likewise, every disease is defined. What is the benefit? But in HDFC Ergo policies, It's a no limit policy, and importantly, on room rent also there is no capping. Normally, for room rent, 1% of sum insured, and for ICU hospitalization, it will be 2% of sum insured. That means if I'm taking 5 lakh rupees policy, my room rent should be restricted to 5,000 rupees. If I'm occupying a higher room, let's say 7,000, 8,000 rupees, then the co-payment will come into picture, or the sublimit will come into picture. But these policies from HDFC Ergo they're not having any co-pay or sublimit structures. These are all open policies and no limit policies. Daycare procedure are covered. Home health care on cashless basis at home. Person can get treated at home for the 9 various ailments. Pre and post are pegged at 60 and 180 days. Sum insured rebound and health air ambulance is also applicable in this policy. Then pre-existing diseases are covered post 3 years, 3 continuous years. Then preventive checkup booster, which allows the customer to undergo test, health checkup every year, irrespective of claim reported or not. Then your dependent children can be taken in up to 25 years as in the family floater. You can propose your extended family on individual basis. There is no age restriction. Upper grid is not, it is open. It is no limit. Now 18 years to no limit. Policy will get renewed lifelong. And even if any year you forget to pay the policy premium during the due date, from the due date till 30 days, that period is available to you. You can come back to us anytime during 30 days and you can renew your policy with total continuity benefits. So that's about the product. Those are the benefits which are on offer as far as HDFC Ergo Health Suraksha is concerned, My Health Suraksha. Now I open the session for question and answers. You can start typing your questions, gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, you can start typing your questions. I got one thing. Question from Soundararajan. I am a 62-year-old. Whether the policy covers future, present COVID pandemic disease? Good question, Mr. Sundararajan. It has been instructed by the regulator to all the insurance companies that COVID has to be covered in all the health policies. COVID is covered in this policy. But initial waiting period, the policy waiting period of 30 days is available. From 31st day of the policy, yes, this covers COVID also. It did not be COVID. Tomorrow it can be XYZ, anything else, it will be covered. Hope I've answered your question, Mr. Soundararajan. One more thing I would like to tell all of you. The question would be, should I buy a health policy or should I buy COVID related policy? If you're talking about health insurance in general or diseases in general, it is not limited to COVID only, but there are many factors available for which if you select health policies, standalone health policies, then it would be advisable. Anybody who has got a health policy already, they need not buy another policy. they can go with COVID. Or another option would be buying both the policies, because COVID policy is very, what do you say, cheaper. It's not so costlier. You can buy both. Their 15-day waiting period will be there for COVID. And unfortunately, if there is a COVID situation at our residence, then you can simply use COVID for that COVID related policy. And for rest of the things, you can use your health policy. Choice is yours. You can buy one, you can buy both, anything. Can I call the helpline for guidelines? Yes, you can call our call center, no problem. What is the specific cover offered for COVID-19? This is again important question what you have asked. Regulator and GIC Council, General Insurance Council, has informed all the insurance companies and hospitals to cover this pandemic, and all the limits are also prescribed there. How much should be the room rent, how much should be the medicine rent, everything is mentioned there. So COVID coverage, as far as the GIC Council advice is concerned, then it covers up to the limitation of those regulation. But I understood your question from where you're coming. I'll go a little deeper into it, because I think it is important for you to understand what is happening today. Let us, we all know that COVID or Corona has got no medicine. It's all on experimental basis. In our country especially, we are using a drug called remdesivir, an antiviral drug. The drug at government rate, which is subsidized rate and directly distributed to the hospitals without any middleman, without any distributor, is costing 5,200 rupees to the hospital. That's the landing price at the hospital. That's subsidized price given to them. On room rent, there is no limit. Room rent can be anything. Normal days, if an individual room was costing 5,000 rupees for me, today the same room, the hospital is charging 20,000 rupees. Some hospitals are charging 15,000 rupees. Now, there is no limitation on room rent. There is no specific mention on room rent. But yeah, there is particular mention on how much should be the expenditure for medication. So depending on the type of room or type of facility you are using in the hospital, let's say if it's a normal room, then the medication for the entire day should be 15,000 rupees. If you are in a normal room and on oxygen, then it grows to, I think, 20,000 rupees or 18,000 rupees. If you are on, if the patient is on ventilator, then I think it is up to 80,000 rupees. But no hospital is charging this. No hospital is charging this. They are actually charging 5 times, 6 times, 10 times the prescribed rates of GIC. And as I don't know about other cities, but I can comment on Hyderabad. If any of you are from Hyderabad, you will agree with me. Apart from 2 hospitals, there are hundreds of hospitals in Hyderabad. Apart from 2 hospitals, no hospital is providing or allowing cashless. They're asking the customer to go for reimbursement. So in that case, then the restrictions will come into a picture. But yeah, there are good people available on this universe. By this time, in whichever city you are residing, you might have understood which is a good hospital, which is a bad hospital. So get into a good hospital, then reasonable hospital, then I don't think you will have to pay anything from your pocket. Everything is borne by the company. Did I answer your question, or you need some more thing? If you need any specific answer, you please type it. Please mention. Now, specific hour, I can relate this in a different angle. What are those things which are covered inside the hospital? It covers your medication. It covers your oxygen. It covers certain amount of PPE kits, certain amount. Policy offers 2 PPE kits in a day. Did I understood your question properly? If I did not understand your question properly, then please mention it. If someone forgot to pay one-time renewal premium, if they need hospitalizations, still there is 30 days grace period, then can pay and use services. Yes, you can regularize your product by paying a renewal premium given during the grace period. But if anything happens during the grace period, that means before you pay the premium, then that risk is not covered by the policy, because technically the policy is lapsed on a particular day. From that day, I'm extending 30 days as grace time for the customer to come back. But during that grace time, before you actually pay the premium to me, if risk happens, then that will not fall into our purview. That's the reason why we inform our customers or advise our customers to pay the premium 1 week in advance. If you keep this to the last minute, then due to some reason, I may forget it. And the minute I forget it, I'm exposed. Same thing goes to your motor insurance also. Many of us have the habit of paying premium on the last day. Don't do it. Pay the premium 3 days or 4 days in advance. We never know how we are going to be placed on the last day, on that particular day. If I'm very busy and I forget it, then gone. Practically, the protection is over. Yeah. I hope I've answered it. Is the list of hospitals accepting cashless for COVID-19 displays in your website? I'm sorry, sir, we will not have that list. We will have the list of 10,000 hospitals with whom we have empaneled, but it is very difficult for us to analyze out of those 10,000 hospitals, how many of them are providing cashless. It's a big task for us. So that may not be available there. So you can keep your local intelligence at work there. Can the policy be kept valid for 5 years? If I pay premium for 5 years in one go? Very interesting, sir. After a long time, I've heard a person talking about a long duration protection. But we can offer only up to 3 years, sir. Not up to 5 years. Yes, continuously you can get protected for 5 years. So it is not 5 years. It is only 3 years. So 3 years premium you can pay in advance. Please elaborate on cancer as PED if it is completely cured. Completely subject matter. So if it is completely cured, then you can apply for the policy, but please do not forget to mention that in the proposal form, and along with the proposal form, you also attach the discharge summary, so that the underwriter will take a call. It is completely technical. I will not be able to answer with complete accuracy. So only the underwriter of the organization can decide whether to issue or whether not to issue. So along with the proposal form, please do not forget to submit the discharge summary. Highlight on tax benefits if I opt for this policy. Section 80D is applicable. 25,000 for self, immediate family. For me, for my family members, immediate family means me, my wife, and my children. 25,000. If I'm paying premium for my dependent parents, you can take extra credit of 50,000 rupees there. Extra credit of 50,000 rupees. If it is only my immediate family, then it is 25,000 rupees. If my dependent parents are there, then I can extend that by 50,000 rupees more. The system is getting hanged. Soundararajan has sent another message, but I am not able to open it. Administrator, are you online? Administrator, can you please help me read this if it is visible to you? I'm not able to open it. Administrator, if you're there online, can you please help me out in reading this? Mr. Soundararajan, will you type one more time for my sake? Mr. Soundararajan, type one more time, please. Yeah. Subbu's message. Is there a portability from other insurance companies to this? Yes, Mr. Subbu. Yes, you can port. If there are any pre-existing ailments, please port. Please approach us 45 days before the due date. If it is a straight-through case, no pre-existing, even 7 days is fine. And if you are less than 45 years old, 7 days is fine. More than 45 years, please present the case to us 45 days in advance. You have answered all my questions. I had only repeated the tax question. Okay. Okay. Rajagopalan. I'm able to read too, and then it is getting blocked. Yeah, Rajagopalan, you have any specific doubt? I don't know what's happening here. Can you please type it one more time? Not able to open it. I don't know why it is happening today like this. And that too, every second question it is happening. Mr. Rajagopalan, I think this question is also related to tax. Admin, can you help me out, please? Admin? Admin is not there.
Hello?
Yeah. See, I am not able to open the question here. One question which is there on Mr. Rajagopalan has published it. I'm not able to open it.
Okay, so you are not
Will
able to
you?
push it. Just a minute.
Yeah,
I will help.
yeah, yeah. Even if you can read it, that's okay for me. Now, another question I could open, Mr. said this. Does Kavach also have PPE kit limitations? Yes, sir, Mr. Baga. Yes, everything will have PPE kit limitation. I'll also tell you why. Initially, during April, May, June, July, for 3 months, we have observed the bills. The complete industry, it is not only we, the complete industry. In a day, hospital has charged 15 kits, 20 kits, 30 kits. Now, each one of us will be failing to understand how can a hospital charge 30 kits in a day? If it is one kit in a day and 30 days, that's okay. Even if 2 kits, 3 kits, 4 kits, 5 kits, still I can understand. But can you imagine 30 kits, 20 kits, 25 kits in a day? And some hospitals in Hyderabad have charged somewhere around 8 to 9,000 rupees per kit. 8 to 9,000 rupees. Government is providing them at 1,200 rupees and they're charging 9,000 rupees to us. Then regulator has taken note of this. So otherwise we have no problem settling it if it is fair and healthy bill. We know we are here to help the customers, but we are handicapped. Till July, August also, we have settled every rupee. I'll also let you know how much claims the industry has received till last month. It is up to a tune of 4,500 crores, sir. 4,500 crores. Can you imagine it? God knows what is the actual expenditure. Yeah. Mr. Gopal has sent a message. Is there any age limit? Yes, Mr. Gopal. For adults, it is 18 years to no limit. And for children, it is 91 days to 25 years. That's the age limit. One question from Delicia. I have Optima Restore policy from Apollo Munich that was brought over by Ergo. Is there a difference between Optima Restore and Suraksha? Health policy per se, there will not be any difference, Delicia. But yes, both the policy constructs are different. You will continue to get service today. You please continue with that policy. That is one of the finest products available in the market today. So actually, you have purchased a very good plan for yourself and your family members. If I need to compare with Suraksha of HDFC Ergo General Insurance, then not much difference. Not much. Can I buy this policy online? Yes, sir, you can buy this policy online, but if you go by the HDFC Security, then it will be wiser for you because there will be somebody to help you out. In case you need help, there will be somebody to help you out. Please give Chennai contact number, Srikantan. I think if you have your Chennai securities office, that will be more than sufficient, sir. Those guys have got all controls with them, so they can serve you better. I think I've answered all the questions. I'm just checking all the questions once. Subhash has told my question is not answered. Subhash, what is your question? Let me search for it. Subhash, why no video? I've given the video, Subhash. Is layer surgery excluded from coverage? Lasers are advanced treatments. We are coming out with a new product where these kind of advanced treatments are also covered, sir. Then Suresh Amirapu. If a senior citizen takes out a new health Suraksha policy, how long before coverage begins? What about pre-existing conditions? Mr. Suresh, senior citizen can come into the scheme up to 100 years. There is no issue on that. If that person is having any ailments, any pre-existing ailments, then 3 years waiting period will be applicable. So post which all those ailments and related ailments will be covered. So 3 years would be the waiting period. Apologies for tuning in late. Which policy is applicable for? Oh, that's a half question. Please tell me about port of my long-standing medical policy of national insurance to HDFC renewal mid-December. Mr. Subhash, if you're less than 45, then you can approach us 7 days before the due date. If you are more than 45 or having any pre-existing ailments, please approach us 45 days before the due date. Then we'll be able to help you out, sir. I am 78, my wife is 70. Our insurance with National is 7.5%, premium 60,000. Very difficult for me to tell you the premium over the counter. So it's better because this case includes the pre-medical checkup, or rather pre-proposal checkup. So once the test is done, only then underwriter will be able to comment on it, Mr. Subhash. I think it is for health insurance, health Suraksha plan. Okay. Question from Sundar Rajan, I've answered it. Is there a portability from other insurance? Yes. Time of emergency, I may not remember the rules. What kind of rules you are referring to, Mr. Vinay? Mr. Vinay, what kind of rules you are referring to? Policy is very simple. If you are going with a empaneled hospital, then you do not worry about anything because hospital will inform us. If you are using a hospital which is not in our list, then please inform us within 48 hours. Inform us within 48 hours, then we will take care of everything, sir. So rest of the things are all technical in nature. You need not remember all those things. There is no, Mr. Setu Madhavan, there is no reference to COVID-19 treatment. So I did not get your question, Mr. Madhavan. Can you please mention it clearly so that I can understand? My mother is 77 and has an individual policy of 1.5 lakhs for 10 years from NIC. Can I port or can I have family floater with her? Mr. Baljit, floater will not be able to be, we will not be able to give you floater because mother can be insured only on individual basis. And as it is, she is having 1.5 lakh insurance. So floater cannot be taken. You have to take, if you want any protection, you can approach us individually. What are the tax benefits? I've answered it. If there's no PED at time of buying, yeah, Mr. Somebody by name MK. If there's no PED at the time of buying policy, but develops later during policy term, are these covered in policy? Mr. MK, this is the only reason why I'm purchasing health insurance policy for myself, for future uncertainty. Anything happens to me after 30 days from the minute I take the policy, that's covered, sir. Policies, insurance policies covers only uncertainty. The only thing is wait for 30 days, that's the initial waiting period. So post 30 days, that is from 31st day of taking the policy, everything and anything is covered in this policy, sir, as long as it is not pre-existing. Now, Seturaman, what is the specific cover offered for COVID-19? There is no specific cover offered. We treat it as any other disease, sir. Is HDFC different from Standard Life? Mayank, Talwarji, HDFC Ergo General Insurance is different and HDFC Ergo Standard Life is different. Standard Life deals in life insurance policies, sir. HDFC Ergo General Insurance deals in general insurance policies. That's the only difference. Otherwise, both are from the same group. Yeah. I'm just checking one by one. Rise in premium on year basis. Any indication? Mr. Gandhi, Anil Gandhi. Year premium will not be increased, but yeah, there is a age band. Once you cross the age band, then yes, it is applicable. When you are young, the age band is larger. When we become older, it concises. There it is definitely not 1 year. Let's say from 46 to 55, one age band. 56 to 60 is one age band. 60 to 65 is one age, changes like that. As and when the age band changes, that means you're growing older, then you will have to pay extra premium. At least for 5 years, even a senior citizen will pay the same premium. Once in every 5 years, premium increases. Now, Iyengar Soundar Raja Gopalan, yeah, I've told that. Is there any probability from other in portability? Yes, portability is available. PP limitation is there in Canara Kavach that I've answered. You have answered all my questions, Mr. Iyengar. Does Kavach also have PP kit limitation? Yes, sir. Baljit, sir. Yes. I have Optima Restore policy from Apollo Munich. Can I buy this policy online? Can we see the list of hospitals on website? Okay. If there is no PED at the time of buying policy, but develops later, that I have answered. Mother is 77, I answered. बलजीत सर मैंने आंसर कर दिया आपका क्वेश्चन को. Does Ergo have a toll-free number or only the premium number to call? Do you have any landline number? Delicia, I presume that you are a lady because I'm very difficult to check the gender or assume the gender, but I'm taking a chance. I think you are a lady, ma'am. If you want to get in touch with us, it is only through the toll-free number. Landline will not be there. We have a landline also, but that also operates as toll-free number. Subhash Verma, travelplus@gmail.com. Please give me your number now or later. Mr. Subhash Verma. You want to speak to me, Subhash Verma, personally? You can take my number 9177723332. 9177723332. I'll be more than happy to guide you. Now, Anil Gandhi has given another message. I have floater from New India Assurance for 10 lakhs, me and my wife. Can it be ported as floater? Yes, Mr. Gandhi, it can be ported. We even if it is portability, we maintain everything as the same. Right? Nothing, no change required. As long as you don't tell us that I want to put this as individual. Otherwise, we follow this same old organization. If your National New India has given you floater, then we will also recommend floater to you. Please answer my question on list of hospitals. Can it be seen on your website which all hospitals are covered under cashless? Yes, sir. You can check. You can check all the hospitals, empaneled hospitals through our website. There is no issue on that. You can check. There are more than 10,000 hospitals pan India, and by the name, I let me have the privilege of guessing. I think you are from Chennai. Chennai has got more than 450 hospitals panel, sir. I could not note your numbers, Subhasji. My name is Hanumant Rao, and my number is 9177 2332. 9177 2332. Yeah, correct. So my name is Hanumant Rao. Yeah, those are the questions available in the chat box. Subhasji, you are welcome. Yeah, administrator, I think we are done. Admin, I think we are done.
Yes, we are done.
Yeah. I think I've covered all the questions. Yeah. So shall I log off?
I'm going to log out.
Yeah. Thank you, customers. Thank you very much for joining us. I hope I was of some value for you. Now you will definitely, if anybody have not purchased a health policy for themselves or their family members, please decide immediately. Please do not waste any time. Yeah. Thank you very much. Thanks for joining, and please stay safe.
Thank you.